Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Irsyad, and we will present about our discussion about kind of research method and supporting factors. Before we present that, let me introduce our group. There is Devi Yunita with study number 030. Putu Dewi Utami with study number 035, and Muhammad Irsyad with study number 064.
Types of research. Next. Research by type and its analysis. Number 1, quantitative research are approach to empirical studies to collect, analyze, and display data in numeric rather than narrative form. Number 2, qualitative research aims to provide an explanation of a phenomenon and find or construct a theory related to a phenomenon. Number 3, combined research is a type of research by combining quantitative research with qualitative research. Next, research based on the method or technique used. Number 1, historical research related to logical analysis of events that took place in the past. Number 2, survey research is a study conducted on large and small population, but the data studied are two of the samples taken from that population, so that related events, distribution, and relationship between sociological and psychological variables are found. Number 3, ex post facto research. That is research conducted to examine events that have occurred with then trace back to find out the factor that can cause this event. Number 4, experimental research. That is a study that seeks to find the influence of certain variables on the variables under strictly controlled conditions. Number 5, policy research. That is the process of research carried out on the analysis of makers of fundamental social problems, so that this finding can be recommended to decision makers to act practically in solving problems. Number 6, action research. Research aims at developing the most efficient work methods so that production costs can be reduced and the productivity of institute can increase. Number 7, evaluation research is part of decision-making process, which is to compare an event, activity, and product with established standard and program. Research based on objective. Number 1, basic research is research intended for the development of a science and directed at developing exciting theories or discovering new theories. Number 2, applied research. Research whose result can be directly applied to solve the problem faced. Number 3, evaluative research is part of applied research, but its purpose can be distinguished from applied research. This study aims to measure the success of a particular program, product, and activity. Research based on explanatory level. Number 1, descriptive research. Research conducted to find out the value of independent variables, either one or more variables without making comparisons or relationship between variables. Number 2, comparative research is comparative study. Number 3, associative research is a study that aims to find out the relationship between two or more variables. Research by data type. Number one, primary research is a research method whose data is collected from the first source obtained through using the questionnaire method or interview method. Number two, secondary research. The study uses material that is not from the first source as a means of obtaining information using literature studies that are usually used by researching using qualitative approach, data collected from a survey institution or library.
Research place. The first is field research. Field research that's directly carried out in the field on the respondent. The place or location of the research was chosen as location to investigate objective phenomena, which was also carried out in the context of preparing scientific papers. The second is library research. Library research is research carried out using literature at library, either in the form of books, notes, or reports on research results from previous researches. The results are said to be secondary data and can be searched from books, scientific magazine, historical stories, documents, and other library material that can be used as reference in scientific writing. Usually, people know this by studying literature or literature study. The third is laboratory research. This is a research conducted in a laboratory, which is a place equipped with special devices to conduct an investigation of certain symptoms through the tests or tests that are also carried out to compile scientific papers.
Nature of research. Research is an activity that demands objectivity, requires an intensive, systematic, and formal process. The nature of research can be distinguished as follows. 1. Research is empirical, is an investigation based on a real object, such as an experiment. 2. Research is non-empirical, is an investigation based on objects that are not real or objects of thought. In addition, the nature of other research can be divided into three, namely, first, basic research. 1. Research that starts from empirically observed objective reality. 2. Examine truth analysis to be compiled as a scientific report. 3. Done to get a theory through hypothesis testing. 4. Formulate based on the reality faced because there is no theory. Second, vertical research. 1. Research that starts with existing theory. 2. Connect with empirically observed objective reality. 3. Examine truth scientific analysis as a correction to the truth of the theory. 4. Research results can strengthen the theory being tested or bring up a new theory with the collapse of the previous theory. Third, survey research. 1. Not the entire population is examined. And 2. Usually done using sample units.
Okay, that's all from our group. If you guys any question, please write on Spada. And we say thank you.